there's fuel for further movement to the downside, and you know these traders won't care about price going against them. So I'm completely open to, yes, we've come off a lot, but there is sufficient fuel that's offside, it's brand new, and let's have a look at the footprint. We'll be able to make an educated observation about whether it's all out. If I was a commercial participant, then given that price spends less than 10% of time, it is out of hand. This is where you want to be, isn't it? From a long side. However, having said that, we've found some great trading opportunities due to traders who are aware of this and fighting it. It's not going to last, but people will keep fighting it, and that's the fuel. So I can see the opportunity for the downside, even though we're pretty extended already. There's the playing field for it. So we can get in a short. I'd be out down here regardless of what's happening here, because that's how we treat these transitions. Could we get back in? Yep, but we'd want to see offering down. So short, possibly short, long up here. Bang, that's our playing fields. So when you look at the market to begin with, a lot of chaos, isn't it? But we're reducing it to decisions that are based around reliable transitions and playing fields. It makes our job much easier. Well, there's the plan. Hard to participate in. We just kind of went, can't trade that. That's movement without opportunity. So that's exactly what we're talking about, getting rid of the longs. And that just happened just like that. Anyway, it's not all over, is it? Because that's not that many compared to how many in. And what happens when you get a quick push like that? It will go the other direction quickly. Why? Because it's like a vacuum. It just sucks all the selling out, and there's nothing left but buying to come in to fill that void. Now ask yourself, what happens when you see those sort of final capitulation speed moves into expansion? The market would normally go into a really complex phase. The fact that we're almost back at the low again, which is really what? The transition. That's not what we see so quickly to get back there. So this would suggest that the market's super weak. It's very counterintuitive, isn't it? Like you think, oh, gee, we've come off so much. So this is why you've got this framework to work through, because it's from that I ended up with a different view to probably what most other people. Right, update. This isn't playing out like a sudden hard reversal to catch people out, is it? It's buyers on the wrong side that are going to puke to drive prices lower, because this doesn't look like a significant move to the upside. There are no big players in here. So that was pretty straightforward, wasn't it? So this is where it's so important to have this game plan firmly developed before you're trading. Look at this bloodbath. And I'm going to keep harping on it. That was all from the game plan.